Just pour milk on the banana and you'll never want to eat it any other way. In a blender, let's start by adding the bananas. I'm going to cut them into slices to make them easier to blend. Here I'm using 3 bananas in the blender. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs. I'll also add 500 milliliters of milk. And 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm going to cover it and blend it all really well. In a saucepan, start by adding 1 cup of sugar. Let's mix and leave it until the sugar melts completely. As soon as it turns into a caramel, it's perfect. Now we just have to remove it and pour everything into a pudding mold. Also spread the syrup on the sides and then we'll leave it until it cools. With our blender mixture ready, we just have to take it and pour everything into our mold. Next, we're going to cover it with aluminum foil. Soon after, we'll move it to a pot of water. Then just cover it and let it cook for a maximum of 35 minutes. Guys, with our pudding ready, we just have to take it, turn it onto a plate and enjoy. And look how amazing it looks. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from Povo e na Cocina. A big hug. See you next time, and it was worth it.